In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own video storage system using Google Drive. The beauty of using Google Drive for video storage is that it allows you to access your videos from anywhere with an internet connection, and it provides a simple, intuitive way to organize your video files. So let's dive right in and set up your Google Drive for video storage. First, we'll need to head over to drive.google.com. Once you're on this page, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Google account. If you're not, you'll see a prompt to sign in. Enter your credentials to proceed. This is your main Google Drive dashboard where you can manage all your files. Next, we're going to create a dedicated place to store all of your videos. Look to the top left of your screen. You'll see a button labeled New with a plus sign beside it. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, you'll want to select New Folder. This option is fantastic for keeping your videos neatly organized in one specific location. After clicking New Folder, a small window will pop up asking you to name this folder. Here you can type in videos or any name that suits your preference. Once you've entered the folder name, click Create. You've now created a new folder, and this will be your main video storage space on Google Drive. Easy, right? Next up, it's time to start uploading your videos. Double click on the videos folder you just created. This action opens the folder and takes you inside. Now to upload videos directly, go back to the New button and click it. From the drop down menu, this time you'll select File Upload. This option allows you to select videos from your computer that you want to upload into the folder. Navigate through your computer's files, select the video files you want to store, and click Open. Your videos will begin to upload, and you'll see a progress bar indicating how much longer the upload will take. Alternatively, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, Google Drive also allows for a simple drag and drop upload method. Simply open the folder on your device containing the videos you wish to upload, then click and drag those files directly into the videos folder opened in your browser. Once dropped, they'll automatically begin uploading, and there you have it, a streamlined process for storing videos on Google Drive. With your videos backed up in the cloud, they're safe from loss and easily accessible whenever you might need them. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized video storage on Google Drive.